Ever wanted to share your tech knowledge with the world but felt a bit daunted by video editing? Today, we're diving into how you can create truly engaging tech tutorials using CapCut, a fantastic and accessible tool. Let's break down the process step by step. First, importing your footage is a breeze. Once you're in, the real magic begins with editing. Think about your audience and how to make complex information digestible. This is where text overlays and animations shine. Use them to highlight key steps, define terms, or emphasize important shortcuts. Clear, concise text can transform a confusing moment into an aha experience for your viewers. Next, let's talk about your voice. Adding a clear, friendly voiceover is crucial for guiding your audience through the tutorial. Don't worry if you're not a professional voice actor. Just speak naturally and enthusiastically. And for maximum accessibility and engagement, subtitles are a must. They ensure everyone can follow along, regardless of their audio environment or language proficiency. Keeping viewers hooked is an art. Vary your pacing, use dynamic cuts, and don't be afraid to inject a little personality. Short, punchy segments often work best for tech tutorials. Remember, the goal is to educate and empower, so focus on clarity and helpfulness. Finally, when you're ready to share your masterpiece, exporting correctly is key. For YouTube, aim for a high resolution like 1080p or even 4000. For TikTok, shorter, vertical formats are ideal. CapCut makes this straightforward, ensuring your hard work looks polished. Thank you for joining me on this journey to unlock your tech tutorial potential. I hope this guide empowers you to share your expertise with confidence and creativity. If you found this helpful, consider following for more tips.